Do you want to turn off limits and make sure that all of your followers can access everything you post? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off limits on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says Privacy. So now you'll be able to see an option called Limits. So go ahead and tap Limits. So now you have the ability to turn off limits on Instagram. You can turn off limits for specific users. For example, accounts that aren't following you. To do that, just toggle off this switch right next to it. You can also turn off limits for recent followers. To do that, just tap and toggle off this switch over here. If you want to completely turn off all limits on Instagram, just tap on the turn off button at the bottom center. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.